Created a new job. Goddamn mosquitoes, dude. All right, we're at Building 5, 280 Uvalde for the Graham. We've been here several times for this building backing up. 9 times out of 10, it's the back couple of units. I'm running the camera in from the low side. PVC. Like I said, we get about 3/4 of the way through the building. Got some billies here. Bunch of crap. Come on, out of the water. There we go. Come on. Pushing a big old something. Come on, dude. Get past it. Pretty good bellies under here. God dang. I'm definitely underwater. There we go. Easy. Again, this is a long building. It's probably like a 160 foot. Oh, getting something right there. What is it? Take it. What is it? That's where I unstop it every time. But the jet doesn't make it to the high side clean out. Take it. Come on, baby, give me the bish. Well, I'm definitely holding past that. Either way, that's my obstruction. Should have put a piece of insulation on it. Sounds like a can or something. Can't see it. I'm right in the belly. Let's see where that's at. Usually the last 2 units. I'll be back. anything?
Pull it back. You see it flowing, but when you try to go forward, it just goes in the water.
Yeah, when I'm back too far, I can't see it, you know?
I know. That's what I'm saying.
Damn.
Push it.
Let's bring it out. I'm gonna put a piece of.
Huh?
I'm not going to see it from the high side because it's completely loaded back there. Just get me up a little bit, that's all I need.
That's what's like a plastic bottle or something.
Come on, baby. Damn, it's deep here, man. Up as 5 feet deep. Come on. Now downstream. This could be too close. With that insulation. Come on. Alright, we're going back in. Put a piece of insulation on it. Like I said, as you can see, its bellies. My downstream cleanout's about, shoot, almost 5 feet deep. Come on, baby. Something funny. Fucking paper. Shit. Paper. Go buy me paper. There it is. Black, whatever it is. What the hell is that? Something behind it.
Yeah, a bottle. Plastic bottle.
Huh? It's either a rock or something. I'm thinking about taking the hose in from the high side. See if I can push it all the way. You know what I mean? Okay, that's definitely our obstruction. I'm gonna try to run the hose from the high side. See if I can push this on out. I'll be back. It ain't going up. Camera.
You pushed it downstream.
Fuck with it. It's stuck. Huh? Damn, there went my insulation. Shit. That's right there.
Yeah, you can see it. It's like plastic. What kind of bottle?
Huh? Which unit?
They're in this last unit.
Which unit? Right here?
Right here.
Okay, it should be draining now
Okay.
because we just moved what looked like a rock.
That's what I'm saying. It's coming back toward it. It should come back toward you.
Okay, yeah. Huh? I lost my fucking insulation, dude. Because of that fucking rock. Oh, there's another one there.
Yeah.
Right upstream.
Yeah, whatever you just pushed, you pushed it right here to this clean out. Because it had pushed the fucking camera out there. So you pushed everything this way.
Well, the camera's getting wedged now. Come on, there we go. Well, the good thing is, at least it ain't under the building anymore. You know, we can dig up out here, but it's fucking deep.
That's what I was thinking. We should have left it at the high side.
I couldn't get it to go upstream though. I couldn't get it to move up. It was like it was wedged. But I got one more rock here still. Oh, that's my jet head. Huh?
Yeah, there it is.
Okay. All right. Well, let's do this then. Let's
I'm gonna pull the jet out.
Yeah, we might use the jet down over this way
Yeah.
to see if I can fit it somewhere.
No pressure, right?
No pressure. but oh well. I mean, it's flowing good. There, here we go. Nothing. Just a good flat line though. Nothing. Whatever that is, it's going to the high side. Dude, that might have been it. That one rock. Coming up to 90 here pretty soon. Damn, unless that other building flows through here. I don't know. Oh. What is that? Dude, I gotta be the end of the building. Huh? The building ain't that fucking long. Is that it? Go down there and see, yeah, man. Either way, I got everything to the end. See, we got rocks in here. Ah! Am I there? All right, we're gonna dig that up. Yeah. Dude, it ain't me, man. You know, fucking Cameron plays his fucking games too, dude. He ain't got the balls to say nothing to nobody. What's up, man? Dude, he didn't even clean that fucking clean out. There's that double clean out on the one side. It goes underneath the building. Under the stairs is a 6-inch. That building comes together in the middle, and then it goes out to another 6-inch in the parking lot that doesn't have a cap on it, and then it goes straight out to a big 8-inch that we dug up and did a repair out there. And I stuck the camera in at the double clean out, went in about 3 feet, hit grease. Worked it real hard. Why? Is it backed up again? Well, he's an idiot. You know, like I said, I stuck it in about 3 feet off that double clean out, went towards 14, because that's the direction it goes, and right there, man, by hand, I hit a spot, and then we turned it on, poof, went through it, brought it back real quick, saw grease, so I worked it a bunch of times, back and forth. All right, right now I'm pushing rocks over here at the damn gram. Place, dude. Huh? Where? What? Oh, on 8? Okay. Yeah. It should be right there, I'm hoping, though, you know what I'm saying?
Let me screw that cap
Yeah, there's like already a saw cut there, like they did something before. You know? See it? So, I don't know. All right, Bubba, let me get this rock out of here. All right, there you go. There you go. Come on. Damn it! Shit, don't back up. There we go. So right here, damn it. I need to dig up in 2 spots. This one's freaking deep. Huh? I mean, it's swimming like a champ. Right there.
Okay.
Yeah. And going crazy. Okay, as you can see, we've got rocks in this line. We've got 2 or 3 pushed to the high side clean out. We've got a bunch of them right here that I can't and won't send any further. I'm just not going to do it. We got to dig this up and get them out of here. Shit, there's 1, 2 right there. There's another one right here. Let's get this other one down to those 2. Okay.
Right here, right?
Oh, we'll be right here. Should be more over here. Nope, we just had it.
One more.
Yep. No, it's coming right here. No, going down. That's it. 650, 640. Alright. 6, 10, 18, 60, 26. Does it make a turn right there? Because the pipe's going straight this way. Why the hell am I over there? Oh, it did make a turn. That's right. Okay, there's 1. 5. 5. 20. 6. This is 4, dude. 4. And this one, man. Oh, there it is.
Very tight.
Yeah. Damn. 6 feet. Huh? Weird. I don't even know what this came up for. I didn't even hear it. You know what I mean?
Red or what?
Yeah. 6 by 6 by 6. Okay, I'm setting in an estimate to dig 2 holes. One at the high side, 4 by 4 by 4. 2 feet of that 4 is going to be underneath the building. We're going to cut that out, get the rocks out of the high side. At the low side, I've got to do a godforsaken 5 by 5 by almost 6 feet deep. I got about 4 or 5 rocks right here.